Prayer helps tap and develop the great potential strength and ability the Lord Almighty has stored within our minds and personalities. To beseech Him for the mercy and the spiritual strength that we all need, may we all rise for the invocation.
Ekatantam Umasutam Vinayakam Bhajagajananam Ekatantam Umasutam Vinayakam Bhajagajananam Moshikavahana Modagahasta Vinayakam Bhajagajananam Moshikavahana Modagahasta Vinayakam Bhajagajananam Vakratunda Vignaraja Vinayakam Bhajagajananam Vakratunda Vignaraja Vinayakam Bhajagajananam Skanda Purvaka Shankara Putra Vinayakam Bhajagajananam Skanda Purvaka Shankara Putra Vinayakam Bhajagajananam Ekatandam Umasutam Vinayakam Bhajagajananam.
Request our dear Principal, Dr. N. Rengarajan, to welcome the gathering.
நின்னார் பிறரின்றி நீயே ஆனாய், நினைப்போர் மனதிற்கோர் வித்துமானாய், பொன்னானாய் மணியானாய் போகமுமானாய், என்னானாய் என்னானாய் என் சொல்லி வாழ்த்துகேன் என்ற தேவார பாடலால் இறைவனை வணங்கி அவையை வணங்குகின்றேன். Walk into the landmark of quality with pride may appear as a catching phrase for advertisement. Certainly it is not. It definitely refers to our Bannariam Institute of Technology, the creator of such a landmark of quality education, the BIT Empire, our beloved Chairman, through S.V. Balasubramanian sir. We derive immense pleasure to welcome you. Leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. BIT is glorified by the presence of two such leaders as honorable guest, the Adon of Administration, Mr. C.R. Saminathan, and President of Residents Awareness Association of Coimbatore, RAAC, who have occupied several esteemed positions of like syndicate member of Bharathiar University, member of State Planning Commission, President of Coimbatore Productive Council, and Chief Executive of PSG Industrial Institute, and another valuable guest, the author of the success history of CRI Pumps and its Vice Chairman, Mr. Soundararajan, who transformed CRI Pump into #1 pump manufacturing company in India, a good social worker, achiever of several awards, in particular Tamil Nadu Government Award in 2009 for corporate social responsibility, and the National Energy Conservation Award by the Government of India. It's our pride to welcome both of you, sir. We extend warm welcome to all the best principals who are going to be honored by our chairman today, and our special guest, Mr. Gundan, Honorable Governing Council member, our PRO school, sir, Mr. Vyas, Krishnamurthy, and others, and the Futura coordinators, Dr. Palanisamy, Dr. Senthil Kumar, Gokul Selvam, Priya, Arvind, and Sweta, heads of the various departments, distinguished faculty members, staff, and invited guests, present media friends, my beloved student friends and participants, my profound greetings to you, and I extend a warm welcome to all of you. உங்கள் அனைவரையும் இந்த ஃபியூச்சரா 16 நிகழ்விற்கு வரவேற்பதிலே நெகிழ்ச்சி அடைகின்றேன். Each brick breaks the monotony, each wall wears a smile, each corner carves a niche, and each floor plants a style. This is a comment of a poet. Likewise, each student exhibits unique intelligence, creativity, and innovation, bringing together all such ideas, talents, innovations, creativity to the empire of BIT located in the tiny village Alathu Kombai is the definition of Futura. And Futura 16 has a uniqueness because the roots of 16 is 4. They are commitment, facing challenges, hard work, and perfect coordinations. Again, the roots of 4 is 2, that is our students and faculty. I profoundly congratulate the real roots for the success of Futura 16, our students and staff. Inspiration comes from work that can change our life, and everything is possible for him who believes. I am inspired at the beginning and thrilled in the middle and amazed at the end of journey of Futura 16 preparatory work. I thank all my team members and co-passenger of Futura 16 journey, the management, students, faculty, heads of the departments, coordinators, administrative team, administrative officer, campus manager, Mr. Mani, Urugani, Palanivel, and others. We profoundly extend our gratitude for our beloved chairman for sanctioning 85 lakhs and dedicating the new mechanical block for Futura 16. Please give a big applause for that. The glimpses of Futura 16 in few lines. Ever since the creation of BIT Futura 16 website, till now, 1,50,000 hits we have witnessed, which is remarkable enhancement over the previous year, maximum 70,000 last year. And 10 states students are representing the Futura other states, starting from Delhi, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, and other states. And the number has increased from 15 last year to 80 this year. And we have received 255 projects, of which 183 have been shortlisted, and our students have excelled by displaying 70 projects. And the best 3 projects will be awarded with a cash prize of 1,50,000 and 25,000 in the name of the scientists Srinivasa Ramanujam, Sir C.V. Raman, and G.D. Naidu. The students registered for participation is over 10,000 as against the tally of 7,000 last year. And we are very happy. The first year, as a first time, have organized an excellent science exhibitions displaying 70 innovative projects, and I'm happy to share we have identified 15 projects for patenting. And the event starts with a school event today, followed by tomorrow and day after tomorrow for the project contest and various events. There will be 10 workshops, and our students have identified 93 industry-defined problems, and the solutions will be disclosed in the Futura meet. And our chairman is going to honor the best principals by the name of the Dr. SVB Foundation Award. And the Inspire program, which is school event, has witnessed already 2,000 students. There are 17 competitions have been arranged, and 19 of our clubs are going to exhibit their talents, and the 49 schools are participating in the event. And in spite of the disturbance like heavy rain, uncertain political turmoil, preoccupations with placement actions, our students and staff have commendably extended their support, making the Futura a great success. I once again welcome all of you, and I wish the Futura a great success. Thank you for the opportunity given.
Light, the genesis of the world, a remembrance of eternity, signifies enlightenment and conveys the message of glory, the joy of victory, and an outburst of merriment. In keeping up with the tradition, we invite the dignitaries on the dais.
Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. May we now invite Dr. C. Palanisamy, convener of the 16th Futura, to relate the progress.
Most distinguished chief guests, Thiru C.R. Saminathan sir, President RAAC Coimbatore, Honorable guest Mr. G. Soundarajan sir, Vice Chairman CRI Pumps Private Limited Coimbatore, our beloved Chairman Dr. S.V. Balasubramanian sir, respected Chief Executive Dr. A.M. Natarajan sir, respected Principal Dr. N. Rangajan sir, distinguished co-conveners of the event Dr. R. Senthil Kumar and Dr. Sivakumar, guests, special invitees, Dr. SVB Foundation awardees designate, staff and student coordinators of 16th Futura, learned members of faculty, representatives from the press and media, delegates of this national level technical symposium and project design contest, principals, headmasters, teachers and students of various schools, good morning to all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to present the salient features of 16th Futura, a national level technical symposium and project design contest conducted every year by students of engineering, technology, applied sciences and management studies of BIT. This event is organized by the students of BIT for the 16th time and run. It's a forum for young technocrats to unfetter their innovative and technical skills. The management has sanctioned about 85 lakhs for the conduct of this 3-day technical festival. The activities of 16th Futura include the following. One, the project design contest that aims to identify and recognize the emerging students in the areas of scientific and technical innovations which benefit the society. We are proud to state that more than 250 projects have been received from various colleges from different states, 10 different states, namely Orissa, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Pondicherry, Kerala and Tamil Nadu for this contest. The best 3 projects will be awarded with the 3 cash prizes of 1 lakh, second prize of 50,000, third prize and 25,000 and 3 consolation prizes of 5,000 each. These projects were displayed during this Futura 2014. The other event, IdeaX, enables the students to present their creative and innovative ideas that would bring in a transformation and impact for the betterment of the society. The topics include conservation of energy, e-waste management, agriculture enhancement, pollution control, profitable organic farming, waste management, seismic disaster mitigation, etc. About 1,722 technical ideas were received from students of various engineering colleges across India out of which we could accommodate only 275 ideas, and they were supposed to be presented in 11 different venues with 20 papers each. A cash award of 3,000 and 2,000 is presented for the best innovative ideas as first and second prize. Third, we have about 120 different technical events organized by 15 departments. These events will be inaugurated by eminent scientists and industrialists, namely Mr. Srinivasan, Chief Engineer from Mayflower Enterprises Private Limited, Coimbatore; Dr. Rajkumar, Chief Engineer, Robert Bosch, Coimbatore; Ms. Alexandra Cardenas, Composer, Germany; Mr. Lakshminarayanan from Cloud Technologies, Chennai; Shanmugapriyan, Administrator, ASDF, Chennai; Mr. Shanmugam, Managing Director, Gokula Garments; Dr. Paul, Leatech, University of Darmstadt, Germany; Mr. Yelil, Director, AG, IIT Madras; Mr. Vijayaram Balasundaram, Cinetic Automation Private Limited; Mr. Ramasubramaniam, Director, Mansco Fluidtech Private Limited. We have planned for 8 different workshops, and by all the majority of the departments, prominent experts like ARC team, Mr. Nallasivan from Tamil Nadu Energy Development Agency, Chennai; Mr. Selvakumar S, ABB Global Industries, Chennai; Ms. Muruganandam, AN Automation and Controls; Ms. Alexandra Cardenas, Germany; Dwarak Cheyur from Cloud and Technologies, Chennai; Mr. Saravana Perumal, CEO, Gajanana Medical Coding Institute, Chennai; and Mr. Balakrishna from IIT Madras; and Arun Titan, photographer of movie Cuckoo, are going to conduct these workshops. The workshops include Geodice by Civil Department, Make Mobile by Electronics and Communication Department, Future Challenges and Issues of Smart Grid by Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Embedded System Design, Instrumentation and Control by Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering Department, Live Coding by Department of Computer Science Engineering, Google App Scripting by Department of Information Technology, Medical Coding by Department of Biotechnology, and Gesture Robotics by Robotics Club of BIT, and Basics of Photography workshops by Photo Hub Club, actually. And as part of this future, we have an event called Industry Defined Problems. As stated, we have collected about 93 industry problems from 10 different industries, and these solutions for these problems were being worked out by our students and are to be presented during this future. The industries include AL Engineering Company, Emmerich Automation, SK Make Products, Sunglow, TMN Biofuels, KPC Biotechnology Fertilizers, MRF Tires, Jayanti Spices, Ayyappa Ghee. As part of the future, we have Dr. SVB Foundation Awards in recognition of the meritorious services of the teaching fraternity. Dr. SVB Foundation Awards for the best higher secondary school headmasters, headmisters, but principals is instituted. The best principals will be honored with a cash award of ₹10,000 and a citation. As part of the future, we have an event for schools called Inspire. It's an exclusive event for school students conducted to ignite the young minds. 17 different competitive events like student project exhibition, programming contest, hen's brood, Sudoku solving, mastermind, essay writing in English, pencil drawing, quiz, yoga competition, oratorical competition in English and Tamil, dramatics, wealth from waste, Tamilakam, reverse reading, best manager and Hindi skit are conducted. The events will be judged by distinguished corporate leaders, educationists and industry leaders. All the school children are awarded with cash prize of 1,200, 800, 600 each. And the other event include the club activities. The 16th Futura offers several club activity engagements for all the participants. Club activities include Photo Hub, PDC, Dramatics, Muttamil Mandram, Craft and Arts Club, OYRC, NSS, Geo Club, Robotics Club of BIT, Citizen Consumer Club, Community Radio Club, Apps Development Club, Music Club, Freestylers, BIT Flying Club, Fashion Club, Quiz Club, Industry Defined Problems, and TEDx BIT Sati. As part of this future, we also planned for open house exhibition. A 3-day open house exhibition is being organized by the students of BIT. BIT has sent invitations to more than 2,000 colleges in India and 360 schools in neighboring districts of Erode, and about 4,000 students from colleges and 3,000 students from schools are expected to visit this project exhibition. I'm sure that 16th Futura will give the path and avenues to the young technocrats to become future innovators in the field of engineering and technology. I thank you all for your excellent cooperation and support extended to me to make this future a grand success. Thank you.
His best, utilizing every ounce of energy and strength within him to accomplish great deeds. A winner, an epitome of leadership, invoking alchemy of great vision, is our beloved chairman, Thur S.V. Balasubramaniam. May we now request our beloved chairman to deliver the presidential address.
Good morning to all of you. Most respected chief guest of this morning, Thiru C.R. Swaminathan, Thiru Soundarajan, our chief executive principal, coordinator, Mr. Palaniswamy Senthil Kumar, student coordinators, Mr. Arvind, Ms. Priya, our distinguished principal, school principal who are going to receive the award today, our own dedicated faculty members, our dear students, students from our schools as well as from other schools and other colleges. I again extend a welcome to all of you. Today, since I have some throat, I will not be able to speak much. In spite of that, I thought that I should address you all come from long distances. When we thought of Futura, we thought whom should we invite for inauguration. Any education institution, ultimately, particularly engineering institution, will have to find their students, either start their own industry or join an industry or to do R&D work in any of the higher research institutions. Many colleges do educate the students to get into particularly jobs. But in our case, it's entirely different. It's not only jobs. We want to make one of them aspire to invent something in their life, in their career, with which only we have been always doing our work. Even in case of teaching learning process, we made a departure from what is being said as a rote learning. We introduced the CLM, creative learning method, in our college. Maybe for the last 3 years we started with. And find a lot of change. Not people just read and repeat it in the examinations. That is not case. Even the question paper itself is entirely different from what is normally being adopted in other colleges. It is more an analysis, an analytical way of answering the questions. So we make them in the classes, the faculty teaches only for about 15 to 20 minutes. Our classes itself not is for an hour, it is for an hour and 1 hour 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes only the faculty takes the class. What is going to be the syllabus for the next day subject is already in the internet. Lesson plans are prepared, taking into account in every year lesson plans are changed based on the academic council, which consists of industrialists, educationalists, who prepare the syllabus taking out now the need of the industry then and there, because world is changing so fast, technology is also changing so fast, and you'll find, Mangalyaan, which has been sent by India, is a success for you, the engineers of India. And not only they have come from, even from the paper you might have seen, it's not that they come from IITs. Only few of them are from IITs and rest of them from all other engineering colleges. That means the people studying in other colleges other than IT are capable of doing extremely a great job. And that too, from our Honorable Prime Minister's speech, you could see that the expenditure per kilo or kilometer for sending a Mangalyaan is less than what would have cost even for producing a film on satellite and other, films. So to that extent, we have been able to produce something which is much lesser compared to the other countries, and we have joined the big band of countries like USA, Russia, and so on. Therefore, we thought if opportunity